Alright, another cool text animation. Looks like hidden text and it's throwing a kind of light. Alright, so let's start by creating new solid, and the color of the solid is keep d6 d6 d6. Alright, so this is the color. Okay, then let's add text. Again I'm typing 2025. Let's keep the color of the text black. Let's make it in the center. Alright, and let's decrease the font size. Let's select the Kannada Gothic font, extra bold. Let's make it 300. Increase the tracking. This looks good. Alright, now let's select the shape tool. Select ellipse tool. Okay, fill to none. And the color of this black, and around 8. Let's make it 10. Okay, and let's draw this circle. Keep holding shift. So here is our first circle. Duplicate it, command control plus D. Okay, let's put it over here. Again duplicate it and then put it over here. Okay, let's select this circle and press S for this scale, and let's make it big. Okay, again repositioning it. Okay, let's make it at 8 stroke. For this circle we are going to select the content, stroke, and let's add the dashes. Let's this size, and let's make this round cap. Okay, even we can make it like it is moving, just like this slowly. Okay, so one of the shape is moving. Okay, let's select this all layer, recompose it. Let's call it text hidden. Okay, click OK. Okay, now open it, add new adjustment layer. Okay, add fill effect. Select the color of the fill, same color that we selected as a background, d6 d6 d6. Alright, come to main composition, also add the fill effect. Select the same color, d6 d6 d6, and then using this make it dark or however you like. So like this you can select the dark text. So this is the dark color. Okay, then again select this ellipse tool. Okay, then stroke to none and fill to solid white, and keep holding shift, make a small dot. Okay, then add deep glow effect over it. Select this text and add one effect known as radial fast blur. Okay, and you can change this to brightest, and you can adjust this even later on also. Then again add another effect, CC composite. Add new null object, rename this shape layer as a light, and parent it is with the null. Select null and press P for the position. Then we have this text. Open this effect, this radial fast blur. Then this pick this whip of the center and connect it with the position. Alright, so if you change this position of this null, this kind of thing will happen. Okay, so let's come to the beginning of the animation, add position keyframe, then let's bring it over here, then around center of the animation let's take it over here, then somewhere around the end let's here, and then finally at the over here. Okay, now select all the keyframe and press F9 for the ease. Okay, then select this pen tool and you can just mess with this play and see. So it's look nice. So I have played with the path and I have created this kind of path. Okay, so this is our final version. Now from this option you can change this to add, and you can change this to screen, and you can change this to behind. So all those kind of changes you can do it from here. Difference, so it will be having this black. Even you can play with this amount of fast blur, and this will create a different effect. I'm just keeping in front. Then even you can add this adjustment layer and add the noise effect over it. Change this value to around 10, and you will have this kind of nice green effect. Okay, but this you can do later also in the main composition, in the master composition. So right now I'm deleting it. Okay,